Hi, and welcome to Gems and Jewels. Welcome to part 3 of the Chanel mural. All the links for the other parts are posted in the description box, as well as the supplies. Super, super easy. This is a view without the light on. If you're new to my channel, I'd like to welcome you here. If you've been subscribed, I'd like to thank you for your loyalty. And if you like this project, please let me know. And please subscribe. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day. Let's move on. So on the left-hand side of the wall, there's tile behind that printer. So I had to kind of work around that, and there's no way to make it equally distributed. And I tried several things, but this was the one that I liked the most. So I elected to use the mirror tiles from Menards because I thought about using a standard wall mirror, like at Walmart, a cheap one, but it wasn't long enough, obviously. So I took 3 foam boards for each side and 6 mirror tiles. And all I did was I fit the foam board to the size I wanted, took a ruler, and then I cut that out. So for each side panel, I cut 9 rows of bling wrap. I glued them on each side of the foam board. And then I would use 2 of the mirrors on the foam board. And then whatever excess I had on the bottom, I just cut it off. And then some of it I used E6000 and hot glue, and the other stuff I used Gorilla Glue because I ran out. So that's that simple. It was that easy. I just lined them up. So here you can just see me take the one panel and I stuck it on top of the foam board, and I just used a ruler, just, reinforcements. You don't have to. And then I just traced it, I cut it out, and then it would be the same size. So then I just took a craft knife and I just followed my line and cut my foam board out. I spray painted the shower curtain rings the metallic silver. Okay, so believe it or not, at my store they didn't have silver nails. All they had was gold. Doesn't really bother me though. So for an example, I'm going to use the lower panel. This one's, it's holding on to the wall structure. I just lined them all up. And then I would follow the pattern, such as like up here, there's a nail, and then I would hang so many of my shower curtain hooks, and then it would swoop over. And then here we go again. Here's a nail, and I just hung the rest of the length on there. And then I would tuck a nail over here, and this one would swoop. And you don't have to use this design should you not like it or what have you, but that's how I did it. And I'd like it because, like I said, I think the mirror is kind of slick with the mirror and the logo, and then the mirror for the letters. So I hope that kind of explains how I hung it up. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have a fabulous week. I'm going to be working on something different. Hopefully you're not getting tired of Chanel. This is not a Chanel project, my next upcoming thing, but I will keep that going. And for future reference, Michael Kors is going to be coming up pretty quick here. Thank you for watching. So here's a view with the light on. Unfortunately, the large chandelier is kind of in the way, but that's what that looks like. Again, thank you so much for tuning in. You guys have a fabulous week. I'm so excited to be done with this because, boy, it took a long time.